When a couple learns that they're expecting, there's a dream that begins for them, and they begin to dream about who this child will be and what they'll be like as parents and how this baby will change their family. And when a fetal anomaly diagnosis is made, it really derails the process, and it fills the couple with fear. And above all else, it leaves them really uncertain about what to hope for or dream for. When a family comes to the Advanced Fetal Care Center for a consultation, they can expect two things. The first thing they can expect is that they will become a part of a team. A fetal anomaly diagnosis is a relatively rare experience, and many people come to our clinic feeling very isolated and with a lot of concerns and questions. Our experts bring many years of experience and skill to each consultation, and we strive to partner with these families to reduce the challenge of their journey. We're available to our families both before the consultation, during the consultation, and afterwards for support and for guidance. The second expectation that a family should have when they come to the Advanced Fetal Care Center is that they will be given all the information that we know about their baby's anomaly and the treatment and care of a child with a similar condition. They should not expect to be told what to do. We view ourselves as consultants to the family and will support the family in any decision that they make.